Hi, this is Kathleen Lisson, and I'm the teacher of the Plastic Surgery Recovery and Fibrosis Massage class. So this class qualifies for 4 continuing education units, but what we really want to know before we take the CE class, before we plunk down that money, is what are the experiences of the other students? What do the students really get out of the class? So this class focuses on the techniques that I use in my studio to reduce the swelling, to reduce the fibrosis. In people after plastic surgery, most of the cases I see are liposuction, Brazilian butt lift, tummy tuck, mommy makeover, and facelifts. So let's look at some of the comments in the feedback section from actual students. So you'll see there's plenty of comments. Beverly says, I enjoyed the course. It was very informative. I will definitely apply these techniques in the future. Leslie says there's a lot of information. I'll refer back to it periodically. She's been doing a lot of post-liposuction and Brazilian butt lift work as well. Great class. Ruth says, I can't wait to add the new tips learned in this class. Becky talked about why she wanted to take the class. She has had a few people after post cosmetic surgery treatments, and she's still seeing a lot of questions about how to treat people after the BBL. And I've seen that too. And that's kind of why I wanted to put the information and research-backed information in this class. So as you can see, I gave her a bunch of resources so that she could do some further research. I love these comments. I love how in other areas of the class, the students actually talk to one another and they share their own experiences. So I really like the online class because you're not just taking the class with a few other students, you're taking it and being able to benefit from the wisdom of every single other student that's left a comment in the class before you. Cheryl said she had so many aha moments. And this is what I really like about the class. I show tools or modalities that you already have learned. You should already know about hot stones. Ideally, if you want to take this class, if you really want to get into post-op care, you should already have a hands-on MLD class. Take some kind of IASTM, like Graston technique class. And so she noticed this. That I was talking about modalities that were already in her tool belt, and she just hadn't thought, hey, how can I use what I already know from massage school to help clients after plastic surgery? Greta was new to post-op care. It's given her a lot of awareness for treating these types of patients. Abby said, I absorbed a ton during this course. It's a great adjunct to what she already knows. So this is a certified lymphedema therapist who's helping people with lymphedema. And she's also can use the skills that she knows from her CLT training to help people after post-op. Mindy says the course was great, well put together. She gained some new tips and tricks, so that's really great. And I like that Julie really said it's easy to follow. That's what I wanted. I put it into several different sections in the online class. You don't have to take it. You don't have to book 4 hours out of your schedule on, a weekend. You can take it in little pieces. You can go back and, move forward through the class, and you have access to all the information and videos that are in the class even after you take the test and get your CE. And then she's talking about that one of the studies that I actually learned from an AMTA teaching conference at one of the presentations in an AMTA teaching conference. One of the presenters shared a study on how to reduce fibrosis, and it involved stretching, so I shared that in the class. That's what Julie's talking about. I love this. Michelle said, I'm able to put together some of the missing pieces of the puzzle working with plastic surgery clients. And that's really what my experience in the first 2 years of helping these clients, that we're kind of trying to solve a puzzle. We're trying to figure out how to help these people as easily as possible with the tools that we already know. And again, here's Irina is asking for some questions, and I'm telling her the answers. The course was enlightening and a great addition to other hands-on courses that she has taken. Some great resources that are really informative. Andrea said, this course taught some extras that will be a great addition to my toolbox. And then Sherry, who is my friend, is very kind to me, calling me one of the top educators of plastic surgery recovery and massage. And she talks about pretty much what we offer in the class. There's some, real life case studies, videos, websites, resources, and of course my fibrosis treatment. I share that in a video, exactly what I do to help people who have fibrosis after plastic surgery. So this was just a short video so you can kind of see what some of the other reactions were of the students that have taken my class. The class is called Plastic Surgery Recovery and Fibrosis Massage. It's worth 4 continuing education units from NCTIMBA. It's for massage therapists who have manual lymphatic drainage class, have taken the class and passed the class already, and are looking for just some more wisdom, some more ideas, some concrete ways to understand how we can learn this, how to use the skills we already have as massage therapists to help people after plastic surgery. Thanks, and have a good day.